will learn how to draw a deer. Let's go!
Hi Mithi, welcome to our new episode. Today you wanted me to draw a T-Rex. So let's start. Here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw a T-Rex. I'm starting from its head. It has a long tail. Let's draw its big mouth. It has so many teeth. Do you know, Mithi? Female T-Rex were bigger than males. They were both hunters and scavengers. They had incredibly powerful bite. Let's draw its eye. Let's draw its hands. Actually, their arms are not as tiny as once thought. It has big legs. My drawing is done. Now let's do the coloring. To do the coloring, I'm using my black pencil. using my light green pencil. Do you know, Mithi? T-Rex are not the biggest meat-eating dinosaur. They had very bad breath. They were called Tyrant Lizard King. Now for the rest, I'm using my yellow-orange pencil. I will use my light green pencil again. I'm using my black pen in its nails. Did you see? It's a giant T-Rex. My drawing is done. I hope you have learned how to draw a T-Rex. It's not that hard. Thank you so much for watching.